Hello guys, what's up in the morning? Today I will show the project which is done by our classmate, and our sincere thanks to the Guru Prasad sir for making our project successfully. First of all, I need to go to the Oracle virtual machine. This is the Oracle virtual machine virtual box. First of all, we need to go to the terminal and start writing ns bottleneck 1 TCL and the bandwidth is 512 kbs. First of all, I show up the existing system, which is a wired scenario which is uses two protocol, transport UDP and TCP. I will increasing the steps. Here you can see the UDP is connected to the node 1, and through node 1 it is transferring to the to node 4, and UDP stands for the user datagram protocol, does not guarantee packet delivery. I will be running the program. Now TCP is connected to node 2 and node 0, and it transferring the packet to node 4. TCP does guarantee delivery packet, and you can see the node packet is dropping at the node 3. I will running the AWK file, which is already programmed in our here. You can see the number of packets sent, received, and the packet delivery ratio. The quality of service for the packet delivery ratio is the 78%, which is not appropriate in a network, and you can see the throughput also. Now in the implementation part, I will show the proposed system which increases the quality of services in wireless using the TCP. I will writing the ns adv5 TCL, which is set to the 8 number of nodes. I will closing the graph. It is an animator file, animation. I will running the program. It is a AODV protocol. AODV is a routing protocol which searches the shortest path to deliver the packets from the source to destination. Here you can see that the router is trying to approach to the source, and source is trying to send the packet to the destination as soon as it comes in the transmission range. Here you can see that the packets are transferring from source to destination, and all the routers are trying to approach to the source. I will increasing the file. As soon as the destination is out of the range, it is trying to find the shortest path to transfer the packet to the destination. Here you can see the router is acting as a node 6 is acting as a router to transfer the packets from the source to destination. Now I will writing the AVAC file -f wireless, which is a trace file output. AWK out tr. It is taking some time. Here we can see the number of packets sent and the number of packets received. Here you can see the delivery ratio is up to the mark 99.99%, which is guarantee the quality of service.